Hello, viewers, and welcome back. I am Ginika, and I am delighted to have you here. In today's video, we will explore the University of Ilorin Lakeside Resort and the Researchers Lodge to discover the remarkable transformations that have occurred. It is no longer news that the university's postgraduate school has been relocated to the dam site, along with the Center for Peace. Now, take a look at those beautiful flags that serve as a symbol of peaceful coexistence. Oh wait, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And a big thank you to my returning subscribers for consistently watching my videos. Now, let's dive into today's content. Are you a graduating student attending the 37th and 38th convocation ceremonies in 2023? Did you know that you can reserve a space at the Unilorin Lakeside Resort to entertain your guests at an affordable rate? Or perhaps you are a resident of Ilorin in search of fun places to visit and things to do. Please stick around and watch this video till the end to discover this valuable information and much more. The Unilorin Lakeside boasts of ample expanse of land in this beautiful and serene environment. Don't be discouraged by the overgrown grasses you see here. I can assure you that it will be taken care of before the D-Day. Congrats to all the convoking graduates. As you know now, convocation without Owambe is that one convocation. Because don't tell me you still intend to serve your guests rice and take away park while standing by your car booth. If you try it, see, just come to the lakeside and make reservation for a space where your guests can sit comfortably, relax, and enjoy your well-prepared expensive jollof rice and chicken while being entertained by a DJ. Don't even let their fine pictures come and spoil because what? You couldn't provide them with seats. No way. You can make a reservation with just 10,000 naira in this dam, and a set of 20 chairs and 2 tables will be kept and tagged in your name. All you need to do is just direct your guests to the dam. If you need more than 20 chairs, you can reserve and pay the fee. This reservation is on a first come first serve basis. If you even want to stay inside this beautiful tent, then you may come earlier to book before it gets occupied. But don't worry, even if you miss staying inside the tent, the space outside the tent can accommodate any number of guests, and canopies will be provided so your guests don't have to sit under the sun. Visitors can come at any time and experience speedboat ride for 1,000 naira per person or a standard boat ride for 200 naira per person. Ticket 200 naira for adults. Children free. Place is nice. So this venue is available for rent to host weddings, birthdays, or any other special gathering. Can you hear that? The water should take time. Just left the University of Ilorin Lakeside Resort and I'm just going to the Researchers Lodge, which is very close to the lakeside, and I think that is beautiful. After lodging at the Researchers Lodge and you're looking for a place to go and relax, the lakeside it is. Very nice serenity. Take a look. All the years that I studied in University of Ilorin between 2006 up until 2022, I never came to this Researchers Lodge. We have arrived at the gate of the lodge. The compound looks so welcoming. The commissioning of this researchers accommodation and restaurant complex was performed by Ibrahim Shekarahu. Please come along with me, let's check out this place. As soon as you enter this Researchers Lodge, just by your left, you will first see the restaurant. There are 2 categories of rooms, the chalet and the standard. This chalet room features a very spacious sitting room with plush sofa, center table, reclining chair, neutral and matching colors for the sofa, carpet and window blinds, creating a relaxing atmosphere. A flat screen TV with cable sound system, both an air conditioner and a standing fan to suit your preference, wall decor, a passage with an ironing board, a very moderate visitor toilet close to the sitting room with state-of-the-art facility. It also features a very spacious bedroom with a cozy bed, blankets, pillows, and also a private bathroom with modern amenities including a bathtub, a shower, a heating system, a sink, and a toilet. Rustic elements such as antler chandeliers. Additionally, There is an air conditioner and also a dressing table with a set of drawers and a chair. There is also ample storage room for luggage and personal items in this very spacious closet. Just look at how big this closet is. I also love this neutral painting adorning this wall. There is an expansive dining area with family-style seating including tables, chairs and a refrigerator in close proximity to the kitchenette. The kitchen is equipped with a gas stove and its layout is intended to optimize natural daylight, resulting in a well-lit and welcoming environment during the daytime. For all the incredible features this chalet offers, it is available at an unbelievable low rate of only 25,000 naira per night. Can you find a better deal? I bet not.
15,000. Second category, whether most of the houses have been named after the past vice chancellors of University of Ilorin. For example, this is the Shamsuddin Amali house, Ishaq Oleyede. And the good thing about this place is power supply. Of course, those of you that school the University of Ilorin, you know that power supply is constant. The room I just left now, that wonderful chalet of 25,000. The AC there, oh bad girl.
This is a standard room which goes for 15,000 naira a night. Come, let's go inside and see what features it has.
The lights are not currently on. I'm so sorry, it might look so blurry. They are currently cleaning up everywhere. So this is the bed. You just have a very big bed, so just like the chalet that we saw. A reading chair, side table, functional refrigerator, fan. Of course, there's AC that is functional. TV for your comfort. Table. Your ironing board. Your wardrobe. You have a wardrobe to yourself and you have a beautiful. I prefer this toilet though for me because I don't like a toilet bathtub. I like this toilet. This is the only reason why I like this space. Otherwise, hey, if not me, I'll just have 10,000 naira and go for the entire flat and bring my whole family and friends
for a weekend getaway.
And if you want, let me help you to test the bed. Life is good. Bye bye to the University of Ilorin. Beautiful researchers lodge.
I want to express my gratitude to my husband for his patience in driving me around while I captured these beautiful clips. I also extend my sincere appreciation to the staff at both the dam and the researchers lodge at the university for warmly receiving my inquiries and offering honest and insightful responses. The campus layout boasts a wealth of academic buildings, administrative offices, recreational facilities, banks, and even a bakery, which unfortunately is not featured in today's video. However, I would like to showcase the exterior of the Unilorin Pure Water Factory, where you can find the purest bottled and sachet water available in Ilorin. It is not only affordable, but also a healthy choice for drinking. If you watched this video up till now, please kindly like, share, and comment your thoughts. It will help the analytics of my channel. It is not bye-bye, but see you again. If you visited the Unilorin Zoological Garden recently, kindly share your observations about the current conditions therein in the comment section below. Thank you for tuning in to today's video, and I will see you in my next.